Hey, it's meteorologist Cory Reppenhagen here with the 9 News Weather Impact Team taking a look at that cold forecast. Sunday morning to be the coldest temperatures we've seen so far this season. 21 degrees is the lowest temperature so far. That was a couple of days before Halloween. And here's the forecast for Sunday morning. 20 degrees. Wouldn't be surprised to see some teens in the area here. Temperatures mostly sticking with the probability here of ending up in the lower 20s, but temperatures dropping quickly here. We could see quite a few teens for low temperatures as we go into Sunday morning. Rebounding a little bit, will be quite a bit of sunshine, so that'll take the edge off of some of the cool air, but we probably won't make it out of the 40s for high temperatures here in Denver, although we might see a couple of 50s on the board in the area. Cool day in the mountains as well, matching our temperatures down here. This is what's happening, model of the atmosphere showing the cold air. This is the coldest stuff in the gray aqua colors here. This is coming from the Arctic. I like to call this polar vortex cold, and that's really the bulk of that's heading down to the southeast. We're just getting clipped by this thing, so we're just catching the edge of that cold air, but it's gonna be enough to deliver at least one chilly day for us on Sunday. And then here's Monday. This stuff's going to dive all the way down here to places like South Carolina and Georgia and Florida, and we'll be out of this by Monday, and we're going to start to see those temperatures rise quickly on Monday. Take a look at Monday's forecast comparison here. 70 degrees high temperature in Denver, Colorado, and in Atlanta, Georgia, 39 degrees for a high. They'll start the day out tomorrow in the middle to upper 20s. So some cold stuff out there in the southeast. We're just staying chilly. And if you ask me, this is kind of a waste of cold air because there's nothing on Futurecast showing any precipitation in the state of Colorado all through the day. On Sunday, maybe a few high clouds drifting through the area. Monday, a little bit more clouds start to come in as we warm up from the northwest there, but no precipitation in the forecast on Sunday or Monday, and really not much ahead either. Wind gusts could be a factor for you in parts of the foothills. Nothing like you've seen over the last couple of days. We are calm to breezy, 5 to 10, 5 to 15 mile per hour gusts here down in the Denver metro area and the rest of the Front Range. And then on Monday night, we could start to see those gusts start to pick back up in the foothills. So when you look at your 7-day forecast, we start to warm up like I showed you there on Monday, and we're going to stay warm straight through the week, 60s and 70s straight through the week. No precipitation in the forecast all the way through next Saturday, but next Sunday looks like we might get some precip, so that's at least something to keep an eye on in the forecast. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you all have a real nice Sunday.